Here we go. So Marley has some fire trucks here. Which is the first one that we can look at? Whoa, look at that. Can we have a look at this one first?
This one.
I'll have a look at this one. Okay, so here we go. This one. This fire truck is red. And what's this? Marley, what's this?
Ow.
Marley, what's this thing?
Ladder.
A ladder. So it says emergency on it. It's an emergency ladder. It actually goes round. Look at that. So it can reach up to different... Help you? Oh, it's an emergency. Who's driving this? Look. I think there's a little boy driving it. And then we've got, here's the hose. Some different instruments. What noise do you think a fire truck makes, Marley? Oh, fire, fire. Fire, fire. Which one are we looking at next? We've already seen that one. Which one next? Okay, we'll put that one over there. Which one are we looking at next? This one? Can we have a look at this one?
This one.
Whoa, this one.
This one.
I want to look at that one next, are we? Okay, here we go. So this one's another fire truck. What colour are fire trucks usually, Marley? Nino. What colour are they usually? Red? You think they're usually red? They've usually got a whoa! I've got a feeling this one. Emergency, emergency! Get ready. You watch this one. So we're going to put it on the ground, and you push the yellow thing down, Marley. Push it down, and watch what happens. Whoa!
Down.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So push it down, and here we go. Let it go. Oh no! Watch this. There we go. Whoa, good job. Oh, there we go. You did it. Oh no, what happened to that one? Can you pass that one over? Thank you. Okay, here we go. So this one says fire rescue on it, Marley. Fire rescue. Whoa, look at that. And this one's got a ladder as well. And let's see what happens if we push the man down. Whoa, I think that one's going to drive the same as the last one. What's happening there, Marley? Let's see what happens if we push the man down. Here it comes. Whoa! Okay, let's have a. Here's a fire rescue helicopter. See how it says fire department? Oh, you need some help. There's the helicopter. And what's this one, Marley? Look, this one. Oh, it's got a dump truck in it. Here's another fire. It's got our fire hydrant or some type of fire retardant liquid. What's this? This could be the hose. Oh, we've got a squeaky toy in the... Oh, apparently this is the big fire engine.
Help me.
Okay, so tell Daddy about this one. What's this one? Whoa, what's this on top?
Ladder.
A ladder. And what's this?
Hose.
The hose. And what does the hose do? It spurts water all over the fire, doesn't it? Oh, what this does. Whoa, what's this? Oh, look, it opens up. It opens up to, opens the trapdoor when you press this. Emergency. Whoa, Marley. What's on the other side? There we go.
Hang up.
You've had enough, okay.